Have you found yourself thinking or saying, this topic is just too difficult for some people? No matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to get trainees to understand? It's as if it goes in one ear and out the other. You've tried explaining it over and over and they still don't get it. Most instructors think there is nothing they can do, that there are just some topics that are too difficult for certain people to learn. That's simply not true. After watching hundreds of instructors get their students to that aha moment, I've discovered the secret to what they have all done in common. Lightbulbs is the program that reveals that secret, making any concept you teach easier to understand. It's an unprecedented program, and I'm willing to bet you've never seen anything like it before. It's something every trainer and teacher has wished for at some point during their career, and once you learn this, you will wonder how you ever got along without it. Lightbulbs is a program that has been designed to teach and model every step in the lightbulbs recipe. When you finish watching this, you will be able to implement these techniques immediately in your classroom and watch how it makes challenging concepts easier to understand. In my lightbulbs program, you will learn how to tell the difference between difficult concepts called light bulbs and the non-light bulbs